Introducing the Royal Captain Ocean Beast, the top yacht on the market. With 80 feet of length and 18.5 feet of beam, the Royal Captain Ocean Beast meets the highest international standards and fuses comfort with good taste. The front lounge of the Royal Captain Ocean Beast features a sunbed powered by state-of-the-art technology. Every inch of the Royal Captain Ocean Beast has been carefully designed to provide a luxurious experience for its passengers. The back lounge can be expanded to the sides to host the finest parties and gatherings. This is the Master Suite, which possesses all the amenities that a VIP deserves. The Royal Captain's rooms have a modern and attractive decor conceived by the best experts in interior design. Enjoy a dreamy bar and lounge set up on a first-class flybridge. Move your luxurious life to the ocean with the Royal Captain.